What's up, fellow anglers? Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best smart fish finder you can get your hands on. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Fukasetter XF08. Let's get started. Product feature. It provides precise data on water depth, temperature, fish size, and bottom contours, giving you a crystal-clear picture of the world beneath the waves so you can fish with complete confidence. With a wide 105-degree sonar beam angle and a depth range of up to 164 feet, this device ensures no fish stays hidden, while customizable alarms alert you the moment activity is detected nearby. Say goodbye to tangled cables. This castable, lightweight sensor works wirelessly up to 656 feet away from the screen, making it incredibly easy to use from the shore, a kayak, or even a boat. The vibrant 3.5-inch TFT LCD screen features 3 backlight modes: black, blue, and white, ensuring you can see every detail perfectly, whether you are under the bright midday sun or fishing in low light. Tailor your experience with adjustable sensitivity, depth ranges, and noise filters. These features allow you to optimize the performance for any environment, from calm lakes to moving river waters. It comes with a mounting bracket, a handy lanyard, and clear English instructions. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, helping both beginners and seasoned pros enjoy a stress-free day. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous fishing on a single 2-hour charge. The convenient battery and charging indicators on the screen ensure you're never caught off guard while out on the water. Pros: you will love how this portable companion transforms your fishing trips into successful adventures. Its wireless design offers incredible freedom, allowing you to reach spots you couldn't before. The screen is remarkably easy to read in any light, and the intuitive setup feels like it was made specifically for your comfort, ensuring you spend less time fussing and more time catching. Cons: while it performs beautifully in most conditions, the 8-hour battery life might require a quick recharge if you are planning an all-day expedition. Additionally, the wireless signal works best when there is a clear line of sight between the probe and the main unit for the most stable connection. Final thoughts. Imagine the peace of mind knowing exactly what's happening underwater. This device isn't just a tool, it's a way to connect more deeply with the hobby you love. It brings a sense of excitement and clarity to every cast, making every moment on the water feel special. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or treating yourself, it's a choice that truly celebrates the joy of fishing. Ready to make your next trip unforgettable? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product and like this video to stay updated on the latest gear. See you on the water.